Hey friends, welcome to my channel Dental Edge. I'm Dr. Bhanu. I have started an exam series in which I'll be covering important topics of oral pathology. The purpose of this video is to help you identify topics that have been asked in previous examination. This does not mean something else cannot be asked, but the probability of these topics to be asked is much more than the others. Today in this video, I'll be covering important topics from physical and chemical injuries of oral cavity. Also, if this is your first time here and you want to learn dental topics in a very simplified manner, do subscribe to my channel and click the bell icon so you don't miss anything. So now let's get started with today's topic. From the chapter Physical and Chemical Injuries of Oral Cavity, you can be asked a short note. It can be on osteoradionecrosis, lead poisoning, chemical injuries of oral cavity. There are certain topics about which you will not be asked to write, but there can be a viva question or there can be a fill up the blanks on them. So you should know them. These are bruxism, linea alba, lead line, bismuth line, acrodynia or pink disease. So friends, we are done with the important topics from physical and chemical injuries of oral cavity. In the next video, I'll be covering important topics from regressive alterations of teeth. Also, I have already uploaded important topics from 10 chapters as you can see on the screen. I'm mentioning the link below in the description box as well as here up on the screen. You can check them as well. Also friends, it takes lots of effort to make such videos. Your one like can give me lots of encouragement. So do like, subscribe, share, and thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video.